Dog, Sports Man Podcast Show. It's your boy Malcolm Shot, the man Russian.
And I'm East Salim, man, Taylor Street.
Yeah, and we back, man. Season 4. The wrap up. E, what's up, Joe?
What's up? It's a wrap up, man.
It's a wrap, man. It's like episode 12 or something.
12.14.
Yeah, 12 or so. You know, we still trying to work out the title work. We trying to work out the title work, but we know it's something close to that. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm excited to be here, Joe. The show today, it's been a crazy, wild summer.
Crazy summer. Crazy
Been through a lot. The Sky Game was popping. Shout out to everybody who rocked with us for the Sky Game, the Sky Game experience with the orchestration.
Shout out to the Sky Game, baby.
It's been wild, yo. That was lit. The tailgate was lit. The apple pie was lit. We probably running on one of the screens, either here or there or somewhere. You know, we running the lick on the screens. This episode, Joe, we got a lot to wrap up, man. We got a lot. We got to put a bow on this one because we're gonna be gone for a while. By the time y'all see us again, it'd be football. It'd be real football season. Speaking of that, football season is back. E.
Hey,
how you feel about that? Bears, the Bears.
Bears
talk.
I'm feeling real good about that football, man. You know, I can't wait. That's why we got to wrap it up now because we about to come crazy football season 5. Stay tuned.
Season 5.
18 straight weeks, baby. 18. You ready for 18 straight weeks?
Man, I'm trying to get ready for 18 straight weeks. I don't know. Putting this last season together was a stretch. You feel me? But man, season 5 I'm excited about. We got some new toys to play with. Shout out to Orchestration, our great producer, Ejilla Beach. We got a lot coming for y'all season 5. But before we get to season 5, we gotta wrap up season 4. And crosstalks, man. I mean socks, Cubs.
Socks and the Cubs. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what's going on with the Socks and the
right.
Cubs.
Wild card Cubs.
One team going south and one team going north.
That's definitely how it's moving. One team trending down, one team trending up. But we still trending crosswords because it's crosstalk. So I got a lot of shit to talk about those Cubbies. Our Hoops, Joe, we excited. It's a lot of shakeup in the WNBA. Pay those girls what they worth, man. Shout out to Fisa Collier.
Pay that girl.
For being MVP of the All-Star game, women's All-Star game. I don't really like how they switched it up. They went on some NBA All-Star game type shit. Man. Instead of doing their own thing with the team Ephesia, the team Caitlin Clark, and Caitlin couldn't even hoop because she was hurt. So I wasn't really feeling that, bro. How you feel about the All-Star game? That's
the All-Star game was love, man. I feel there was a lot of new great things that they put in place. We'll talk about more of that in IR Hoops.
Yeah, in IR Hoops for sure.
And another thing that I want to break down in IR Hoops. We talk about that Big Three, man. The Big Three, man. We got to start showing some love. They're a professional sport now. These guys making money out here, man. So we gotta start tapping into the Big Threes or something all the time.
Speaking about Big Three, they added them to FanDuel, Joe. So we got one of our wishes, Ice Cube, baby. O'Shea.
We're gonna get into that with the Big Three and all that time. I mean, with our hoops.
Yeah.
And then we also got another segment we call it the Betterverse.
Betterverse.
The Betterverse. That's what.
Yeah, we got some weird toes to get in for y'all.
That's what we do all our crying at, our cheering at. That's where it's at, man. That's what y'all here for.
That's we come to rejoice. Yeah, we come to rejoice. That's our therapy. That's our better therapy. We call it the Betterverse. Well, we gonna rejoice, man. Let's have a cheers though, man. Let's have a cheers to season 4. Now we gonna have to have a toast too, but let's cheers it out, man. Cheers to season 4, man.
Cheers it first though.
Yeah, we go.
We backwards and everything. We got the toast first, then cheers and watch it down.
Right. We off the rocks, man. It's season 4, so it gotta be a classic for y'all. And man, I'm just so excited though that we're here, man. Just thinking about how season 4 started. We had some great guests. Man.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Small World.
Small World,
Room,
Yeah, the Dark Room. Man, we kicked off the Dark Room Poker Club. We kicked that off in season 4. We got hits in season 4.
It's still going down on Wednesday.
Still going down on Wednesday and Sunday. Definitely going down.
Y'all check it out if y'all love poker, man. It's still a great community, you know.
Yeah, that's hard right there. Season 4, we got some great partnerships. Nappy Roots, Lawn Care Service been putting in work.
Yes,
shout out Nappy Roots. Y'all been coming through. Y'all done got some hits. Y'all showed us some love, so I'm appreciative of the sponsorship and appreciative of the network. You know, we working hard with that. Man, first class, limousine and bus. When I knew guys, when I knew it.
Hey, we felt great at the Sky game with first class. I felt first class. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, they let me in. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I was just I got the door. You know, like, I didn't have to open the doors. Man, no good AC. You know, took us to the game. You know, so shout out to those guys, man. First class for showing us love. You know what I'm saying? For that Sky experience. You feel me?
Yeah, we didn't get a chance to pack out the shuttle yet, but we coming with it, man. First class all the way. So we gonna get that. We gonna get the deal done. I know we've been killing July with the games, and now we got a few games lined up in August. We got a few more White Sox games to get to. So that partnership is working well. Another thing I want to address in the intro is, man, it's a big deal, but it's a little deal. Summer League, you know what I mean? Vegas Summer League. I was impressed by a lot of teams, by a lot of names. I'm not going to say Cooper Flag, you know what I mean? He didn't disappoint me, but I'm not going to say I was impressed. But Bulls, man, found the gym in Yuki, Joe. We got one of the, hey, what's up with these Japanese players in baseball and basketball come to Chicago, establishes that type of hard leadership. I love what I see from Yuki.
I like
I want to talk about that 2 hour hoops, man. You ready to get the show started, Joe?
Because he want to talk about everything in the intro, America.
Yeah, I want to talk about everything. Everything, America. Everything, man.
You know, Team DC, shout out to my shirt, you know, Team DC. I don't know about the Marvel guys. I fuck with Spider-Man, but, you know, I'm a DC guy.
Calm down, man. I'll crack his head on Marvel vs. Spider-Man right now. We can play. He don't want to see him.
These are the ghosts right here.
Hey, man, he don't want to see Wolverine and Hulk. Well, he better calm that noise down.
That's a whole other story. He knows what
and I like my t-shirt too. It say White Sox, man. So shout out to the Sox. Speaking of the White Sox, Joe.
Hey, shout out to the Sox, you know.
Yeah, look at him, man. You gotta choose a side.
I gotta trip these guys up. I like picking these guys up. Like,
man, let's have a toast, man. Let's toast to season 10. Toast up to season 4. Let's kick it off with these crosstalks. We want to thank everybody, man, for rocking with us. And this show gonna be classic.
And also,
so we're going drug lords.
Also, please make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, you know what I'm saying? This season, man. If y'all didn't see none of the episodes, man, go back for summertime when y'all chilling. Go through all the stuff episodes. We have bangers out there. We got bangers out here. Out the banger at the banger.
Yeah, we definitely got some hits, bro. So y'all know we gambling. And we gonna get to the gambling, but we gotta build y'all up to the gambling. We just can't give it to y'all raw off the spoon. Y'all gotta work through the nonsense. So man, other side of the break. Cross talks. We coming back. Let's go. Weekly thoughts.